Alright, down to zoo day, and I got down to the bottom of the hill there, which is the zoo is a hill, and there is Amazonia. Used to be the polar bear exhibit, but it faces south and it was too hot for them, so they converted it to Amazonia. Down in the basement, the ground floor, there's a kind of lab-like place, research, and it's got books and microscopes and things. And I looked at conifers, one of the books. Somewhat interesting. They make it much more interesting. It sounds like it will be. And African buffalo had a book on that. And he's not doing so well. The wildebeest is doing real well, but they're not. And that was okay. And I picked up the third book, the smallest of the lot, and it was called Animal Talk by Morton Page. And it was about how members of the same species talk to each other, communicate with each other, which is much more involved, complicated, and varied than you might think. So I recommend this is a book that if you're a Republican, you reduce it to say something smaller, like how animals talk to each other, or if you're a Democrat, you go for the bigger interpretation of how things go in the world. But I think it's a very interesting book, Animal Talk by Morton Page.